What? Huh. Refresh. There goes. Alright. I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing here. The fuck is HBAC? Python HMAC. Oh, for authentication. Okay, that's okay. New requests. Alright, so gonna get rid of that. What do we need? So according to this, we need zone ID and guild ID. Zone ID equals 45. Zone for DSR. Encounter for DSR. Guild ID equals 123043. 123043 is going to be ID for my guild. Keeping the DSR logs. Welcome to the part. What are we going to do? What will be your epitaph when we get through with you? Are you going to cry for your mother? Are you going to have a good time? Copy, close, if you want to see how. Alright, so according to this, I need to. Alright, we're going to call get reports, right? And if we run this, that should get me all of the reports, all the titles. Right? Yeah. Alright, so reports are going to give me. Alright, so the query, no. Yeah, query. I'm getting report data. Report code. Huh? Oh, I see. No, I want a list of reports. Okay, yeah, so I'm getting the report data. I'm getting the reports, which is this. Arguments, end time, guild ID, guild name, guild server slug, user ID, limit, page, start, end. Alright, report pagination. What does it give me? It gives me current page, title, data. Alright, right here. Data is of type report. Alright, so it's going to give me a bunch of shit. Alright. Fight IDs. No, not fight IDs. Sure, let's see what that does. Fight IDs, I want. Why can't I get fight IDs? IDs. Fight IDs. What? Oh, that's an event. Okay, no wonder. No wonder. Okay. Archive status code. Report code. I don't know if I need the code, but I'll get it anyway. Fights. Graph. Guild tag, master data, owner, phases. Phase information for all bosses observed in this report requires loading fight data, but does not double charge API points if you load. Okay, let's try. Ah, man. Don't want player details. Don't want rankings, region, table. Title, visibility zone. Need to write API calls. Right. So, what did you say? Imagine if you went viral. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, please no. Alright, so events. I don't think I want that. No. Right? No. Events? That's gonna make me, I need to put in a, fight IDs. Let's just do 0 for now. Events of type report paginator must have a sub selection. Oh. What? No, it's supposed to, oh, data. Data returns data, that's right. Events 31 data timestamp auras. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. I don't want combatant info. Is that all it's going to give me is combatant info? Oh, it's giving me the cast too. Nope, definitely don't want events. That's way too much. Fuck that. Nope, don't want events. Okay, not events. Fights? Fight, report fight. What does that give me? Encounter, end time, NPC, average item level, boss percentage. That is what I want. I want that. So I want report. No, I want fights. Field fights must have a selection of subfields. Fights. And then I want, in fights, what am I going to get? I'm going to get boss percentage. Boss percentage. Dungeon pulls, encounter for list of pulls, end time, enemy NPCs. Wait, what's the difference between boss percentage and fight percentage? Oh, okay, this is percentage to the fight. How far into the fight? Since fights can be complicated, I have multiple bosses. Okay. Enemy NPCs, game zone has echo ID in progress kill. Last phase the encounter was in. Last phase, let's get that. Last phase is intermission. Let's get that just in case. Size, standard comp, start time, wipe call time. I want to know fights, code, end time, number of exported segments. This is how many segments have been processed for rankings. No. Fights, guild tag, master data, version info, all the players, pets. Okay, let's do master data. What is that going to get me? Actors, abilities, game version, language. What's this? This is not it. Where is it? Fuck, I have no idea. Whatever. Okay. Log version, game version, actors. I don't want the list of actors or the abilities. Don't want master data. Alright. Master data. Owner. Phases. No. Difficulty, kill type, start time. What happens if I get table? No, I don't. Oh, I see. Table. Okay, let's do fight IDs. Let's just do the first one. See what I get for data. Nothing. Huh? Oh, whoops. This needs to be right here. Table must not have a subselection. Oh. Oh my god, what's taking so long? Jesus. Alright, boss percentage. So that's last phase 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. False, 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 false. False, false. Alright, table. Alright, so let's get rid of fights. And let's just look at table. Composition. Damage done. Healing done. Damage taken. Death events. This doesn't tell me how many pulls there were. But I could just get the number of fights, I guess, right? I could just, okay. I get the size of fights. Data of report. Alright. That was table. Title, visibility zone. Alright, so yeah, I guess all I need to do is this. Right? Okay, so let's do this. Copy that and bring it back over here. Import data, query. Okay, so let's just Alright, so I don't need to do that. Zone ID equals plus 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 zone ID guild ID 1 2 3 get data main query. Print. Eh? Exception thrown, why? Main query. Can only concatenate make sure those are strings. Oh, because there was an error. "45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fucking hello, this worked earlier. Okay, this works. From HMAC, import new. Main query. Okay. Then over here. What did I fuck up? Data, report data, reports. Data, report data. That would be it. That would do it. That would do it. This needs to be reports. No. Maybe. Alright, we're going to say, alright, so we're going to do this. We're going to say data equals that. We're going to say print data sub bytes, no, data sub title. Why is the length only 1? Data, that's exactly what it should be. For each, for D in data, print D subtitle. Maybe? No. String indices must be integers. Data, report data. Data, report data, reports. Huh. Okay. Report data equals get data. What is report data? Report data is just report title equals report data. All right, let's do this. Let's do I'm getting the wrong shit. I must be. Reports data. Report data. What are we returning here? We're returning data, report data, data, report data, report. Then everything inside of that. In here, we are doing data, data, report data, reports, data. Report slash data. All right. Print data. What the fuck? Oh, come on. Why is it a list of 0? weird. One, two, three, oh, four, five. 45. Ah, because it's 123043. Dumbass. What a fucking moron. Alright, this should work. Or maybe not. Hey, it's amazing what happens when you use to write shit. Alright. Alright. Port, no, we're gonna say, yeah, we're just gonna call it main data. Okay. For D in main data, print D sub title. There we go. Alright, so I'm not going to use any functions for this. We're just going to do it all locally. We're going to say alright, we're going to say grades equals, we're going to do a blank dictionary. What format do we want this? No, we want this to be an array of dictionaries. We want that to be array of raids in dictionary format of want. We don't really care about the title. We want the date. We want, oh, I put it up here. Date, highest percentage, high percent, high percent, and average percent. Alright, that should give me the information that I want. Yeah, okay. Alright, so this is going to be for print a D. Alright, let's go back over to Insomnia and get all of this now. We want to put this back in. We don't really care about the code, nor do we care about the title. We just want that. Alright, so for f in data slash fights, I'm gonna print f fight percentage. Yeah. None. to figure out how many wipes in this one. Length of encounters. Get encounter information. Get encounter information. For everything in fights. Fights. Alright, so if the percentage is none, alright, alright, so for each fight, we're going to say high equals 0, new old high equals 0, right? Yeah. If F's fight percentage is less than if the percentage is less than the if 5% is greater than high, then high is now going to equal F fight percentage, right? Yeah. If F fight percentage is not equal to none, then do this. Nope, there's got to be a float. Right? Yeah, float. No. Boss percentage, none. Boss percentage equals 24.96. Okay. So if we step into it, all right. High is fight percentage is 94.37. High is 0. Go to the next one. Okay. Where is it erroring out? Why is it erroring out? Fight percentage not equal to none. Keep stepping into it. Oh, I screwed that up. That's for damn sure. Alright, so high should now be 94.37. .7, 81.49, 25.41. No. .86. Alright, yeah, that's working now. 16.96. Okay. Okay, this is the next report. When's it gonna hit none? Oh, right there. Why? Float argument must be a string or a number, not none type. This shit is none type. Oh. There we go. Okay. All right. you doing, cat? Alright, so we want to do I don't know what I want to do. Alright, so I fucking hate Python so much. Oh my god. Okay. For each fight. Okay, for each piece of data. What are we getting here? Data. It's only one, right? So we don't need to do that. Yes, we do. For each piece of data. Okay. So this is for each report. So we only care about the date. Okay, so for each date equals, we need to get the date. So how do we get the date? Data reports. Report pagination. Query. Report data. Reports. Start time. End time. Yeah, I guess start time, right? That's, yeah. Fight code. End time. No, I don't want arguments. I want this. Okay. Total number of items selected by the query. Data. Start time. End time. Start time. Right? Yeah. Just the first one. No. Because I'm dumb. Equals d sub start time. String indices must be integers. It's a string. That's not right. For D in main data. Main data is going to be giving me this. So for each one of these, right? What is that going to give me? Oh my god. Stop giving me fucking error messages. Fights. That should totally not. D is, it's a dictionary. Why is it a dictionary and not an array? It says data here is Hmm. Whatever. Okay. Um, we're gonna say date equals start time. Now for each fight, okay, after we're done with that, we're gonna come back over here and say print date f date date best high. That's not gonna work. Data start time. I don't care. No, that's not right. We definitely did not get 0.1. Oh, because some of the logs have. Alright, so I need to make sure I do the encounter ID too. Alright, how do I do the encounter ID? Where do I give that? Do I give that to reports? Definitely not reports. Zone ID? No, I put in zone ID. Should be everything in DSR. We definitely didn't get any 0.1% pulls. What? If... Alright, then if... float f fight percentage... Wait, no, we're going to do this. We're just going to say if high is equal to 0.01, then dot dot dot, do nothing. We'll put a breakpoint there. How is a fight percentage 0.01? Alright, let's try again. Let's continue. Where's the continue button? Right there. Last phase is 0. Last phase is 0. Huh. Alright, let's get the report code and the title. And we're going to say, yeah, fuck it, let's just do it that way. Day is 28. No. Pull 11. 12. Day 28. 15. 0.01, 0.01. Okay, none must be... Oh, 0.01. Are those wipes? Are those phase 1 wipes? Okay. So I need to ignore anything if the last phase is 0. Because that doesn't seem to be counting. Oh, because combat ends, probably. Okay. Wait, what? DSR day 28. FK3. This is saying that we had 15 pulls. I'm only seeing 11. Oops, wrong button. But none of them were in phase 2, phase 1. Huh. Fight 1, 98.41. 98. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 should be 30%. Phase pull number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.3%. 89. No, that should be 90. Okay, yeah. 0. 98. 98. 89. Oh, because that's 98% in phase 2. I see. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, yeah. Okay, 0.37. Okay, yeah. 37, 76. 38, 32. 0.3. Yeah. This is fight 6. 7. 59. 8. 79. 9. 8. This is 9. Should be 18. 10. 100%. Okay, that was an intermission wipe. Okay. Alright, that was an intermission wipe. 11. Oh, and these are Brave Flocks. Okay. Okay. Alright, I see. So I need to stop this. So when I'm pulling the fights, I need to pass in. Okay, so reports is going to give me report pagination. And it's going to give me the data, which is a report. And when I call fights, I need to pass in the encounter ID. Okay. Fights encounter ID is going to be 1065, right? 'Cause that's the DSR counter and counter ID. All right. Encounter ID 1065. There. That should fix the 0.1s. There we go. Okay. For each fight, we're going to do numpulse equals 0. We're going to do total equals 0.0. Alright, so if we're going to say numpulse plus equals 1, and we're going to do numbers, we're going to do total plus equals f sub fight percentage. Okay. And then average is going to be total divided by numpulse. Alright, that's what I'm going to say average. Ooh, did I do it already? Date Python date time. Basic date time types. Source code, what date time, okay. Date time. So I need to import date time. Import date time. Date time. How do I do this? Datetime.utc. constants, available types, common properties, time delta objects. I don't want objects. I need all right, here's what we need. Date. All right, so from date time, import date, because I only care about the date. Let's do, for shits and giggles, report date. Report date. Date dot today. Let's see what that does. That should give me today's date, right? For everything. 2004-04-17. All right. From timestamp. From timestamp of report date. No invalid argument. Int. We need to turn it into an integer. Or should it be an... Yeah, sure. No. I can't do that. Okay. Report date equals int. Let's do it that way. Dirt, 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 dirt. I hate Python. Invalid argument. Why? Report date. What does from timestamp want? It wants a float. Yeah. Okay. Nope. Oh, fuck me, right? Okay. From timestamp constructs a date from a POSIX timestamp. What is a POSIX timestamp? POSIX timestamp. Okay, yeah, that's... Yeah, that's a Unix timestamp. That's what I'm doing. From timestamp. Report date is a float. Report date is that. From timestamp method. Timestamp float. I don't understand. Time. From date time import time. Exception thrown. Date time dot time has no attribute time. Oh. Whatever. I don't know what the problem is. Alright, let's do this. Let's say, alright, let's do epoch converter. We're going to do this right here, right? This should be a Unix time. Okay, it was. Now if I put a 0.0 on this, it still works. Start time. So then, what is start time? You know, what is report date? If I put this in here, timestamp. It's totally what it's supposed to be. Eat a dick. Right? Like, how is that an invalid argument? Huh? Current Unix epochs time. GMT relative. Is that not? I don't understand why this isn't working. Start time. Copy. That should be today's date. If I come in here and put this in here, right? Wednesday, April 17th. That's what that is. date objects, date.today, date, from timestamp, returns the local date corresponding to the POSIX timestamp. This may raise an overflow error. Invalid argument. Why? Is that not a valid? Okay. No, definitely not ISO. Time tuple. Return a struct time, such as return by time.local time. To ordinal weekday, ISO weekday. The hours, minutes, and seconds are 0. Okay, I don't know what. String C time. Turns a string representing, no. Stir F time. Date time from timestamp. Oh, I wonder if date time date time. Hello? No. Still not going to do it. UTC from timestamp. Huh. What the hell? What's up?
So who are you streaming the coding for?
Hmm. One seven one three three seven. Seventeen. 7. Oh, that's milliseconds. Well, that's not right either. 1,000. There we go. Alright, that's what the issue was. Okay, it was in milliseconds. Gotcha. Report date divided by 1,000 because it's in milliseconds. There we go. We're just going to do date because we don't need all that crap. Report Unix date. We'll go report date equals um, strf time. str equals date dot strf time. Alright, how do we use strf time? strf time. weekday. Okay, no, we don't want that. We want the month. We want an abbreviated month. %B, %B, the day of the month, 0 padded. Sure. D, comma, and the year. Now we get the year. Year with century as a decimal number. Nope. Year without century. %Y. %Y. Alright. And then strf time. Oh, I see what we need to do. We need to... Okay, just kidding. Just kidding. We need to put this on this. Right? Report date. No. April 17th, April 15th. Hey! We're getting somewhere. Okay, that's enough for now.